Hi, in this video we will learn how to add two-digit numbers. Let's say our first number is 21, the second number is 15, and we want to add these two numbers. So we can add these numbers in three different ways. This is standard algorithm or traditional method. So I can add this in, I can show this addition in the blocks. Let's do that first. So I have numbers in place values, ones and tens. So let's show 21 here. 21 has, I will show that with 10 rods, 10 rods I have. So each has 10 in it. That's how it makes 20. Then I have one single block that makes 1. And I can add the next number, which is 15. 15 has one 10 block, and then 5 1 blocks. And we want to add these. I can show this addition with this way. So it will be the same as, so this is representing the 15. So this is 10 and these are ones, and it makes 15. So what we do when we do addition, basically we add one place items with other numbers one place items. So this can be written as 6, and I combine other 10 rods, and that 10 makes total 30. And if these are combined together in place values, so this is called expanded form, as we know. So this number will be 36. So what we did here, basically we added 1 and 5 in the ones place. If we divide this up, 1 plus 5, that is 6, and I added the 10 place. If you remember from the 10 rods, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have the same result. So this way we learned how to add in three different ways, using base 10 blocks, using expanded form, and using the traditional method, standard algorithm we call it, in this way.